Reading basic sentences. Children, today we are going to read English sentences that start with I have. So let's begin. I have a bicycle. It is pink. Let's read it again. I have a bicycle. It is pink. Now children, it's your turn to read. I have a car. My car is big. Let's read it once again. I have a car. My car is big. Now children, it's your turn to read. I have a dog. My dog is brown. Let's read it once again. I have a dog. My dog is brown. Now children, it's your turn to read. I have a plant. It has flowers. Let's read it once again. I have a plant. It has flowers. Now children, it's your turn to read. I have a horse. It has a long tail. Let's read it once again. I have a horse. It has a long tail. Now children, it's your turn to read. I have a friend. He is a boy. Let's read it once again. I have a friend. He is a boy. Now children, it's your turn to read. I have a toy. It is a small car. Let's read it once again. I have a toy. It is a small car. Now children, it's your turn to read. I have a ball. I play with my ball. Let's read it once again. I have a ball. I play with my ball. Now children, it's your turn to read. I have a candy. It is sweet. Let's read it once again. I have a candy. It is sweet. Now children, it's your turn to read. Thank you for watching. For more educational and learning videos for children, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.